How to optimize your resume with Claude AI complete tutorial. Hey everyone, welcome back. So you want to use Claude AI to take your resume from average to absolutely stand out and land more interviews faster. Well, you are in exactly the right place. I am going to walk you through step by step how to use Claude AI to optimize your resume like a professional career coach. Let's get straight into it. First, go to Claude.ai on your desktop or open the Claude mobile app and log into your account. Start a brand new conversation. Now, before you paste anything in, set the context first. Tell Claude exactly what you need. Type something like, "You are an expert resume writer and career coach. I need your help optimizing my resume for a specific job role. I am going to paste my current resume and the job description. Please analyze both and tell me exactly what needs to be improved." Setting this context up front is super important because it puts Claude in the right mindset to give you professional, targeted feedback rather than generic advice. Now copy your entire resume and paste it directly into the chat. Include everything: your work experience, education, skills, certifications, and summary. Don't worry about formatting looking perfect inside the chat box. Claude is smart enough to read and understand the content regardless of how it looks when pasted. After pasting your resume, simply say, "This is my current resume. Please hold on while I also paste the job description." This is the most powerful step that most people skip completely. Copy the full job description of the role you are applying for and paste it into the chat right after your resume. Then say, "Here is the job description I am targeting. Please compare my resume against this job description and tell me the gaps, missing keywords, and specific changes I should make to increase my chances of getting an interview." Claude will now cross-reference your resume against the job description and give you incredibly specific, actionable feedback. It will identify missing skills, suggest better phrasing, flag weak bullet points, and highlight exactly where your resume falls short for that specific role. Once you have the feedback, it is time to rewrite. Weak bullet points are the number one reason resumes get rejected. Ask Claude, "Please rewrite my work experience bullet points to be stronger, more achievement focused, and include relevant keywords from the job description." Use the format of action, verb, task, and measurable result wherever possible. Claude will transform vague, boring bullet points like "responsible for managing social media" into powerful achievement statements like "grew Instagram engagement by 47% in 3 months by implementing a data-driven content strategy." That kind of transformation is what gets you noticed. Your resume summary is the very first thing a recruiter reads, and most people write it terribly. Ask Claude, "Please rewrite my resume summary to be compelling, tailored to this specific job role and under 4 sentences. Make it highlight my strongest skills and most relevant experience." Claude will craft a sharp, professional summary that immediately communicates your value and makes the recruiter want to keep reading. Most large companies use applicant tracking systems, called ATS, to filter resumes before a human ever sees them. If your resume doesn't contain the right keywords, it gets rejected automatically. Ask Claude, "Please identify all the important ATS keywords from this job description and tell me which ones are missing from my resume and where I should naturally add them." Claude will give you a clear keyword list and suggest exactly where to weave them into your resume naturally, without making it look stuffed or unnatural. Once all the content is optimized, ask Claude for one final review. Type, "Please do a final review of my updated resume and check for any grammar issues, inconsistencies, weak phrasing, or anything that could hurt my chances. Also, give me your top 3 formatting tips for this type of role." Claude will catch things you missed, tighten up the language, and make sure everything reads cleanly and professionally from top to bottom. Here is the golden rule of modern job hunting: never send the same resume to every job. Each time you apply somewhere new, come back to Claude, paste the new job description, and ask, "How should I adjust my resume for this specific role?" It takes 5 minutes and dramatically increases your response rate. And that is your complete guide to optimizing your resume with Claude AI. Set the context, paste your resume, add the job description, rewrite your bullet points, polish your summary, check your ATS keywords, and do a final review. Follow these steps and your resume will be sharper, stronger, and more targeted than ever before. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more Claude AI career tips, and drop a comment below telling me what role you are applying for. I will catch you in the next one. Quick recap, step by step. 1. Set context. Tell Claude you need resume help. 2. Paste your full resume into the chat. 3. Paste the target job description. 4. Ask Claude to rewrite bullet points. 5. Optimize your resume summary. 6. Run an ATS keyword check. 7. Final polish and formatting review. Bonus tailor your resume for every new job.